Day 37. Yesterday, you added a futures contract to your algorithm. Today, you're going to learn about a different way to trade assets without actually owning them. Futures have expiry dates. Stocks require ownership. But there is an instrument that lets you speculate on price movements directly, with no expiry and no need to hold the underlying asset. So, what is AddCfd? AddCfd is the method you use in QuantConnect to add a contract for difference to your algorithm, an instrument that lets you trade the price movement of an asset without owning it. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left, we have the bet on the race. On the right, the CFD. Imagine two people watching a horse race. One buys a horse. They pay full price, they own the animal, they handle the stables. The other places a bet on the outcome. If the horse wins, they profit from the movement. If it loses, they take the loss. They never touch the horse. They just traded on what happened to it. The bet on the race here says, you can profit from the movement without ever holding the thing that moved. Add CFD works exactly the same way. When you add a CFD, you are not buying the underlying asset, which in this case is. You open a position on the price difference between where you enter and where you exit, and QuantConnect tracks the profit or loss from that difference directly. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of Add CFD in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. When you trade a CFD, you take ownership of the underlying asset, true or false. And the correct answer is false. A CFD is a contract on the price difference. You never own the underlying asset. You only profit or lose based on how the price moves.